Hey Artland, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw another Digimon character. Now, this Digimon character, his name is Monochromon, and he is really cool. He kind of reminds me of a cross between a rhinoceros, a triceratops, and actually kind of reminds me of Anguirus a little bit too from Godzilla. So I think he would be a fun one to show you guys how to draw. Now, to start off, we're going to begin with the eye. So you want to start right about here on your paper and just make a little circle. So you can just make a little circle shape right here for the eye. Now, inside of here, I'm going to draw another circle. And then it's going to be kind of tricky. You want to make two little circles like this. And then just kind of color right in here, just a little bit for the pupil. Then I'm going to add another little circle right around here. And then you want to add a little line that just goes right around there. Next, make a little line that goes up and down for the little eye ridge. And then we want to draw his nose. So you're just going to make a little line that goes up, and that's just going to kind of curve down like this. Next, just make a line that just kind of curves up, and then it's almost going to kind of curve into a little smile right by his eye. Then make a nice line that goes down, and we're just going to kind of curve to here. Now we're going to add some little triangles in here for some teeth. And then we're going to do the same thing on the top. Just add a few triangles. Little line right here with a couple quick little small lines in there. Curve line here and another line that curves up and comes down for the tongue. And then a little line right here that just curves down. And then a couple quick little lines there. A few more teeth here, and then a couple right there. Now right here, draw a line that goes in and down, and that's just going to kind of curve around for the neck. And it's going to come right to about here. Then we're going to make a little line here, and then a little curved line right there. Next, starting here, make a little line that goes over and down. And then I'm going to make a nice big spike that comes out, and then it's going to curve back around. Leave a little space. And then we're going to do another one that does the same thing. We're going to add a couple little lines on here. There's going to be another one. This one's going to have a little bit of a curve to it. Do the same thing, add a couple little lines. Then another one right here. And then same thing, just a few little lines on there. Now, on here, he almost has like some armor plating on his face. So you want to start by drawing a little line that's going to kind of curve up. It's going to go down around here, and it's just going to kind of connect to here. Then there's going to be a curved line right here. It's going to kind of go in and then come over to here. Then we're going to make a little dot here and then a little dot here for some nostrils. And then a couple little curved lines right there. Then I'm going to add another little line right around the eye. Now, he has a massive horn right here on his nose. So to draw that, we're just going to make a nice line that curves up. And it's going to come to a point and then come back down to here. And then it's going to have a little curved line here. And then it's going to have another line that just kind of comes down to here. Then we're going to add a little line right there. Now, this is where he kind of looks like a triceratops. He has some little lines that just kind of connect these spikes onto here. Now, right here by the spikes, we're going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then right here, I want to make another line that's just going to curve up. It's going to come to a point, and then it's just going to come back down here for the tail. Right here, we're going to add a little curved line. And then a little line right here that's just going to go down. Now, right here, make a little line that's just going to go down. And we're going to do the same thing on this side, but you want it to be a little bit wider as it gets down here. He's going to have a really big claw that just kind of goes out and comes back. We're going to make one that goes down and comes up, kind of like a V. And then another one that goes out, and then it's just going to curve back here. Now add a curved line here, and a curved line right here. And then a line that's going to go up and down here. Then a line that goes over on each side, then goes up, over, and down. And then a little line that's just going to curve around. And then I'm just going to add kind of like a little rectangle shape with two lines on each side. Then you can add a couple quick little lines in here for some details. We're going to connect this. And then right here, draw a line that goes up, down, and it's just going to kind of curve around here. Now for this leg, just draw a line that goes out and then down. I'm going to make one claw that goes out and over. One right here that's going to be a lot bigger. And then one right here. Then we're just going to draw the line. It's going to go up and then in. A couple little curved lines right here. A line that's just going to go down, and that's just going to come up and over like this. A little curved line where the kneecap would be, and then a line right there. You can add a couple little wrinkle lines right there. Now right here, draw a line that curves up. For this leg, we're just going to kind of go down. Line that goes over and comes back. Another one here. And this one's going to go down, and it's going to curve up. Then add another little curve right here by the leg, or the tail, I should say. A couple little curved lines where the toes are. And then this one, we're just going to add a few little bump lines. This one's going to go up and around. We'll add that little circle shape and then a little line over. Then right here, we'll see that a little bit of that back foot. So we'll just draw a little line that goes down. It's going to come out and over. And we're going to have a little line that curves around here for a toe, a little one here, then one more there. You don't see much of it. And then we'll add a little line that goes down and over. Now right here, he's going to have a little line that goes up and then down where his stomach is. And then he has a lot of armor plating on his back. Starting here, just draw a line that goes up and down, or down and up, I should say. And then it's just going to curve up. Another one here that goes down and up. And this one's just going to kind of curve around. We'll add another one right here that's going to kind of curve. And then they all of a sudden get really small. So we're going to add some small ones right here. And then you just want to add a few more onto the tail. They don't go all the way down, just to right about there. Next, add a little line here, here, and here. It's going to be a couple little spots here, one here, and then he has like an X pattern right here on its tail, kind of like a little scar. Going to add some more little spots right here. And then a couple little kind of wrinkle lines right around some of these little spots by the legs and the neck. Another one right here on the face. Put one right there. And there you go. There is your drawing of Monochromon from Digimon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.